So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a free YouTube banner with Paint.net. First thing I want to do is going to get Paint.net. After you do that, you should get a font. I'm personally like Brady Bunch font. I might not use it for this one, but that's a great one. Get this. Find this post on get Paint.net. Like the forums. You should be able to find this. This has everything that you pretty much need. It's great. You gotta download that. And then you're going to want to get a banner outline. This is so you're gonna know where to put everything on your banner. So yeah. So the first thing we do when you make a banner is add a new layer, bring it down, and get the text. So what you want to do is you want to just type in whatever. I'm just gonna do expire effects. Okay. You want to raise this up. I normally do 144. And then whatever font you're gonna use for this. I'm probably gonna use uranium. Okay. Next thing you wanna do, object align, center both. This should be, yeah, this is on the pack that I told you guys to get. So yeah, done with that, you can adjust how big you want it to be. I'm thinking I want it to be about yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I want it to be that tall. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay. So now, the next thing you want to do is, this is pretty boring, you know, this is pretty bland, this is pretty eh. So, what you want to set it apart. So you have to find your two favorite colors, pink and like dark or like purple, okay? Cause I like purple / pink stuff, kind of. Magic wand, shift and then click. Get onto the gradient tool and drag down, so it gets a nice gradient in there. That's pretty nice, right? That's really nice. The next thing you want to do, that I like to do a lot, you don't have to do this. Go to the square tool, drag over. With the this is in the plugin pack, but drop shadow, white. Get the blur radius down, unless you want it to be a little bit blurred. Bring this up. Boom, you got that. And then photo glow. I don't think this is in the plugins, but. And then you gotta bring this all the way up, and then bring this down, and it's gonna give it a nice shadow that I really love. So you got your text, you got all that. The next thing you're going to want to do is get a background. Now, there are lots of places to get a background, but if you want to be the most safe, I like using pexels.com, which basically has tons of awesome stuff. So, say you want like mountains, okay? So, boom, mountains. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, we got tons of nice pictures of mountains. I'm liking, which one was it? Like this one's really nice, okay? So take that, you could download it or you could just copy it. Like if you really love this, you could copy, you could download it. But I'm not loving this so much, so I'm just gonna copy it. Okay. Now you're just gonna drag down until it fills up the whole entire thing. Maybe adjust it a little bit. Yeah. But you do want this to fit, like the purple aspect that I want it to be, so Q/saturation should be here. I don't remember. Sometimes it doesn't work.
It's made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good. It's quite pungent.
Purple.
Stings the nostrils in a good way.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
To be
Okay.
honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
Yeah, I'm liking that.
It works.
Okay, so now that you have like your basic background and your text, you're gonna want like you're gonna want to blur the background. Sometimes you don't want to blur it. If you don't want to blur it, sometimes you just bring it to like 7 on Gaussian blur. Why is this not load? It did not load. Didn't load. Let's just pretend that's blurred. Okay, it should blur for you. I don't know why it didn't blur. But that's okay. That's okay. So, to like this is pretty boring, you know. we're gonna want to get some effects. So what I like to do is I first like to find like a texture. I have tons of textures. So just search up texture and pixels. Texture, boom. See if we can find a good texture. So there's lots of good textures probably. Yeah, there's lots of good textures. Which one should I use? We got the paper one. We care like paper. Yeah, I'm thinking. Oh yeah, this fits. This fits. This fits. Okay, now this is really nice, especially that it's purple, and we want this to be more purple / pink. So yeah, let's get in here. Add a new layer. Control V. Drag it down. And then click this icon. And then set it to overlay. Now overlay might not be the best. Like go multiply. Additive. Color burn. Dodge. Okay, let's go back to the top here. I like reflect. Let's bring down the opacity a little bit. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so we're almost done here. But we do have some things that I want to do. What I really love to do is add some shapes. Just add some random shapes. Boom, over here. Set this to overlay again, because overlay is the best. Okay. We want this to be almost exactly like the background, but we do want to make it a little bit darker so we can kind of distinguish it. Just a little bit. That's good. Boom. Maybe like turn it a little bit. And then do that. And then keep doing that with random shapes, and it's gonna look really nice. Like, well, no, it's not gonna look nice. Not with this. Okay. But next thing you want to do. Okay. What you want to do. Take this. Go to. You want to make this white, so boom, white. Add this in front. Put it. Paintbrush. Okay. Hardness 0%. You want this to be like 85, I'd say. Yeah, 85. And then do this. So it's not to be completely straight, but you want to do this because it gives it a nice outline, a really nice outline. Put it as overlay. No, not overlay. Yeah. Lower down the opacity a little bit, and you have just like a nice glow. Oh no, you gotta raise the opacity a little bit. Yeah. So it has this nice little outline. You can do it on the sides, but I don't. Well, I guess that does look pretty cool. Okay. Yes. Oh wait. Okay. Boom. Boom. So yeah. Yeah, you're pretty much done now. You can add some extra stuff. Like I usually add more effects, but this is just more of a basic one. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you want more tutorials, tell me. I'm really bad at tutorials. Yeah. So, yeah. If you guys enjoy the video, if you like tutorials, tell me, like the video, subscribe, comment, If